Tired of wrinkled clothes and heavy irons? Experience the ease of wrinkle-free, fresh fabrics with the Kairos SteamMaster. Perfect for clothes, curtains, and more. Before using, let's get familiar with your SteamMaster. Know your product parts and how to assemble them. Start by fixing the steam hose into the main unit. Now attach the extension rod and adjust the height as needed. Fix the hanger to the rod. Attach the ironing board securely. Place the steam nozzle onto the nozzle hook. Remove the water tank from the base unit. Fill it with clean water and fix it back properly. Plug in the power cord. Rotate the knob to switch on. Wait 3 to 4 minutes for the steam to build up. Hang your garment on the hanger. Start steaming from top to bottom, gently gliding over the fabric. Be cautious, keep your face away from the steam nozzle. Use a glove or hand towel while holding the nozzle during use. Before using, read the user manual and troubleshooting guide carefully. Smooth out wrinkles and refresh your fabrics. Still need help? Contact our helpline or email support. For more Kairos products, visit www.thekairoshome.com or follow us on social media.